Hey everyone, I'm back here, Squarebody Shenanigans. I am working on a project that's kind of, I don't know, it's not really that big of a deal, but I'm gonna try something and see if it works. But I have this, let me flip this around. I have this, here we go, this spoiler, I guess is what you'd call it, that was on my Suburban, and it's missing some of the bolts. Here they are right here. And until I find all these pieces, I decided to go ahead and just take it off. And while it's off, I'm going to seal the holes with this miracle wrap here. I'm hoping that it keeps the water out. Let me climb up here and I'll show you. See these holes? They lead directly into the inside of the truck. So I'm gonna try and use some of this tape here and see if it works. After I put it on and let it set for a while, I'm going to take the truck to the car wash and run it through, after, of course, you know, getting it wet here at my house, and see if that tape actually works, because it says it's good for insulation and for sealing plumbing. So I mean, I would assume that's pretty waterproof. So I guess we'll find out. Until then, thanks. All right, it's Greg here, Squarebody Shenanigans. My brilliant idea for using that plumbing tape will not work, because the best way to make that actually do what it's supposed to is to stretch it out. So what I'm going to end up doing most likely is just rigging it up until I can find out, you know, either replace those bolts, or I don't even know if I want this spoiler thing on the Suburban at all. So what I'll probably end up doing is just using some good old-fashioned Gorilla Tape and letting that be the thing until I can find a more permanent solution. But I mean, that's the whole point of this channel and these videos, is to make mistakes, try new things, see if it works. If it doesn't, I might lose a little paint, but I mean, that's pretty much it. There's no other loss. As long as the roof doesn't leak. I mean, that's the whole point of this, is to try to fix the leak in the roof. Or I don't even know if it was leaking, but I kind of tend to do things overkill. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.